Hi everyone, welcome to VIEH Sunday Bites, where we share you a couple of courses which can help you. So last when I was live, a couple of people were asking me, sir, what are the courses I can get for free, by which I can get a certificate and which will add a value to my resume, right? So here I am with the same thing, free cybersecurity courses, and I hope you were willingly waiting for me. So today I have free certification which is going to help you in breaking the cybersecurity positions, right? And this is 100% free. There might be free tier, there might be a couple of free financial aid program, and mostly is on SOC, which is one of the most demanded domain that we have. Why this is going to help you hire is first, hands-on SIM experience recognized by the top recruiters, right? I'm going to say you six courses, and on which everyone is free and which will going to help you. Recruiters will going to recognize all this name. This is having a strong credibility on resume, and this is going to build your associate analyst from day one, right? And what is the advice about all the courses from me, right? So let me quickly start with all those things. This is the first that we have, which is from IPM. And guys, sorry, enrollment will be going to be completed by today, so just check it out because there is less hours, right? So this is a IBM certificate which is called IBM Cybersecurity Analyst, where you can learn, get it for audit and financial aid. It is absolutely free, right? Just click on here and you'll be able to enroll, right? And you can see exactly what are the things we have. 14 core series, beginner level, flexible schedulings, all those things. That's great, right? And you'll get a certificate that you can add in your resume as well, and all those skills you'll get. Oh, great. Now the next one that I have is on from Google Cybersecurity certification. This is free with financial aid, so just click here and you'll be able to apply for the financial aid and you'll get this course free, right? So that's a great one. New AI skills, right? Next one is from Fortnite, which is absolutely most of the people knows. This is Fortnite NSE1, NSE2, NSE3, which is 100% free. And this is going to cover network security fundamentals and SOC basics, right? 2025 exam and program enhancement effective or October 15, 2025. So guys, just enroll it now, right? You can see all those things here that you can enroll. So find out more, click here and you will be able to see NSE training updates, right? Yeah, you can get it from here. So that's what they have. This is a great certificate and I strongly recommend you to do because this is going to add a lot of value. Next one is from Microsoft. Oh, that has been expired. Anyway, sorry, but it was on security learning path, but I'll send you the link, right? And if you want link of any of these courses, just let me know in the comment box. I'll send you a link, right? Next one is from Splunk. Okay, so this is a Splunk Work Plus. This is a Splunk free training where you will learn SPL queries, you will learn about dashboard, SIM fundamentals, and this is basically super important for SOC roles because SIM is a tool which is used in the industry and Splunk is one of the most famous, right? So welcome to Splunk product donation program, training donation program. Our committee as part of 100 millions Splunk plays to provide college and university about the well individuals from and deserve and marginalized community in demand data cybersecurity skills plus rewarding career into technology industry and beyond. Please refer to these registration instructions to get started, right? So from here you can register yourself and you will be able to see, right? All the links are here. Now the next is SOC L1. So there are free modules available. If you click here, then you will be able to access a lot of free modules, like which is going to help you. Here you learn a MITRE ATT&CK, threat intelligence, login, SIM analysis, right? But my favorite, the one that I'm going to recommend you, is something where someone can guide you, right? Personally, someone can guide you. So you can opt for VIH group SOC program, which is rarely you might get it for free, but the costing is very minimal. But I'll tell you guys, this is one of the best that I can tell you because like someone is going to guide you, right? You will practically learn and someone is going to give you certificate and experience of 3 months, right? And there's a lot of things that you can look for, right? And which is going to definitely going to help you and add your career on next level, right? So that's what I have. Just check it out, vihgroup.com/soc. And if you want, like, I'm not forcing you, I'm just telling you which one you can do, right? And if you want any of the link, just let me know in the comment box. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep supporting, keep loving, and you might subscribe and like because it boosts our energy. Like my cup is not full. So thank you, have a great day. Jai.